Welcome back, everybody. Let's get right to it. Today, Monday Hunt. How everybody doing? So, guys, let's get right to it and discuss the live streaming and the unicorn for today. Before we go further, remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, let's get right to it. Welcome. Yes, my brother ABS. No worries, man. I just forget to put the live streaming on early on. But yeah, we are on, brother. Always we try to go live every day. It is kind of a medication we should take every day. Beyond Meat, yes, Beyond Meat. What a fantastic reversal, guys. It's getting near a breakout around the 155 that we tested last week. Yes. Now we did 16% last Friday and now 2%. So it might do another jump toward the $2 open. On the other hand, 4% see and reverse almost 40% from the last week as a huge reversal for open after the earnings. Announced layoff Q3 earnings. We have a huge layoff for open, but this is made it reverse almost out of the seven. Yeah, huge reversal for open. The main event for today, we got the stock had reverse split back I think today, 10th of November, we got 1 to 10 reverse split for move. I think we already traded this stock before, jumped from the 5, now is around the almost the $20. We got Vivek, he just came right now, getting near the 26 cents. GLTO, the same, just came right now, is going toward the $30. Today's stocks is a bit expensive, like GLTO and Move. Both of them is a bit expensive. Those penny stock, we got Vivek looking okay, but IMTE's pulled back from the $2 man until the $1. So this one is a bit dangerous. I will keep it on the list if we broke the 115 for today. Okay, let me know, guys, if you can see the stream is okay, because here show me that we have an error. I need to change the resolution. Yeah, this is the first time I use the 4K resolution. So it told me it's not supported here in YouTube. I don't know what's going on. John said he can't read the short. It is a bit far, maybe. Yeah, because the resolution is a bit big. Maybe I'm gonna lower the resolution, but I think is yeah, I can't do that unless I stop the stream right now. John, let me know if the screen is better, if you can read the chart, because I make it smaller. I think now is might be better. Welcome everybody, welcome. Let's get right to it. Okay, now is better, perfect. There's always a solution, of course. That's why. Perfect. Perfect. Let's get right to it. As we said, IMTE might be great for today if we broke the 115 here. I'm watching 115 for a breakout for IMTE. Yeah, GLTO was on our watch list for today on Discord. And last week we did a good hunt for ORGO, was a really great hunt. Last week, yes, we did a great hunt for open, which went toward the 425, guys. It was a really great dip because once we dipped here, we reversed for open. We discussed open on the earnings, before the earnings, yes. Let's see where we dipped for open. We dipped until the 477. And here we talk about the 566 and 425. So we went just near the dip. Yes, around the 25 was here, but we went until the 77 before a huge reversal. So the top gainer and top volume gainer for today is Move. Yeah, the top volume gainer here, I think it is 63 million for BNAI. Yeah, BNAI just came to the scan. We have a lot of traders trading this one. BNAI, guys, looking fantastic as well. I'm gonna add the support around 43 and other support at the market open to watch, which is over the 51. For now, we got a little bit of resistance just around 57. Yeah, this one might be great for today as well. BNAI, I'm gonna keep it here on the list, guys. With move, which is moving down a little bit from this resistance around the 18, and GLTO, which is top gainer for today, almost 400%, everybody. George, bonjour, how you doing, man? Mara, uh, yeah, take time off, brother. If you don't feel okay, you don't have to trade. You have to be fully in and fully focused to trade. For Mara, my brother, we got yeah, almost near reversal from the bottom, which is around yeah. I'm gonna put the first support around the 1463, and the bottom could be around the $10. Yes, yeah, the $10. It is the support if we have another dip for Mara. We got earnings, yeah, on Tuesday, last Tuesday. For now, we have a little bit of resistance just below the 1850 and then the 23. Yeah, so Mara looking all right. Yeah, GLTO, not bad. GLTO, already discussed it early on. It was great. It bounced from the $16. This one, yeah, it was on our watch list for today. The only one. It reversed from the 16. Yeah, 16 was the support. And now is reversing up toward the 26. Yes. Or around the 24, yeah. Even the 24 would be great to have a breakout from 24.66 for GLTO. Move, have reversed it. Now it's pulling back. It's kind of overextended here. BNAI is about to break the 56, everybody. Watching for the 64 at the market open. The rest is a maybe, like IMT. I'm gonna take it from the list because I don't like the technical that much. SELX, I don't like it as well. GREE, not my cup of tea. So yeah, we only got those stocks for today, especially GLTO and BNAI look ready with move. Yeah, those three are the top from my humble opinion for today. The rest is we will wait at the market open if we got something else. IOTR, I think, is reverse split 1000%, so it's not counting. We don't have to count it. COGT, is it on the list here? Let's see. No, is not good. Yes, IFRX. I think this one maybe. I think already discussed it early on. Nope, yeah, 43%. But it is not stable for now. It might be great later, so I'm gonna put it on the waiting list. Anyway, so the market's about to open, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit notification on because we always go live every day, guys, to discuss the market. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon, we got few seconds left, guys. Few seconds left at the market open. So let us have a green day. Today, as we said, GLTO, it is the one to watch at the market open. Let's see if we're gonna get a huge day for it. Um, we got a few minutes left. Okay, the market is open. The market is open, and open is pulling back down a little bit. Yeah, not. Yeah, we got a little bit pulled back. I think we're gonna fill the gap here for open a little bit. Watching the $6 for open if we held would be great. Move, nothing much. BNAI trying to break here. We kind of have a little bit of fake out, so I'm gonna adjust the resistance just around the 64. Yes, sir. Okay, we got interesting trend here for BNAI. GLTO, on the other hand, is pulling back as well. Open is holding up, everybody. Not bad for open for now. Yeah, not bad. Is holding tightly, just right there. Yeah, Vero. We got Vero. It just came right now. Let's see. Yeah, Vero. I was watching it early on, but it pulled back a lot as well. It will be great if it broke the 265, but for now is a bit shady, not a typical one. Vero, maybe I will put it on the waiting list with IFRX, and the rest COGT I'm gonna pass because I think it's offering. And GREE, I will keep it on the list as long as we hold the 184. This one, nope. This one, nope. NTC, nope. So I'm gonna keep just those stocks. Checking the market as a whole, we got run IMB, ABMB from the last week earnings. We might have a reversal for. We got a nice green day for today. A little bit of green after the huge flush that happened last Friday. SMCI reversing. Mara is having a bit of green day because cryptos is a bit green. We have a little bit of reversal, but I'm not convinced about this reversal yet, guys. I'm not convinced yet. Open doing fantastically good here for a reversal. Yeah, Open doing fantastic for a reversal here. Yeah, Open looking interesting because we held first the support just, yeah, just over our entry here, the $6. And now we got a level to hit is around the 7. Now it's 7, but the 748, it is the level that we might get rejected at. Yeah, Open doing fantastic. Yes, sir. Again, as a reminder, guys, remember our content here for education purposes only, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. As we said, guys, Open did really good at the start today, and of course, last Friday after reversing from the 477. We already discussed Open before on our Discord, and the Unicorn Hunt, which is for the daily stock, and we discussed it again on the King Elite trade before the earnings. Once the price was around the 681, we suggest for a dip entry around the 566 and 425. We reversed just before that, and as you see here, we did this on the 6th of November on Thursday, so before the earnings. And guess what? The price pulled back, and after that, we have a reversal. We said we might have the same that happened before because last time the earnings were good, but the price pulled back 30%. Then we reversed almost 500%. And here we did the same 40% reversal, guys. 40% reversal for Open. Again, we have a news of 31 to 30 split for 18th of November after 8 days from now. So you see what's gonna happen here. We got a lot of news going on. Earnings split, and we got the major reversal on major buyer just came over the 477. So what we should expect now? First of all, right now we got a really good support that we should hold over our entry here, the $6. Okay, this is the most important support that we should watch for Open. And the other resistant and profit taking that we should watch out for is just around this level. Let me just turn it to orange because this is where the big seller will come just around the 452, guys, for Open. So this is where we should expect a major seller for Open. If we didn't break it, is mean we're gonna have a little bit pullback. Then we might have the 10 and beyond because Open have a significant buyer around that level. So I'm gonna see if we're gonna have some action later on. We're gonna update, of course, the level for Open for you guys to watch. But for now, we got the 750, and after that, after we break the 750, we have the 850 and the 960 that we might go to. Because as you can see here, this channel we kind of need to break it in order to break this bearish channel and go toward the new levels around the $13 before the split for open. Let me know, guys. Are we gonna have this reaction for open the rest of the this year? Because this year we don't have a lot. It's just few minutes before we finish um, the year for open, of course, trading session. So this is for open. Hopefully we're gonna have some action on breaking the 752 later on. The other that we should watch out for, let's see, we got Beyond Meat, everybody. Beyond Meat, we got, as we discussed before, the huge channel that we enter at since this huge selling pressure once we broke this flag back in 24th of October. We got the fake out back in 6th of November, and now we have original and good breakout because we held. The main thing is to watch is before the earnings on Tuesday after hours. Just tomorrow after hours, Beyond Meat will report earnings. So be careful, everybody, for this reaction because Beyond Meat will have a volatility. And again, guys, anything we say here is only for educational purposes, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, Beyond Meat will have a lot of volatility before the earnings tomorrow after hours. So what we should expect? First of all, we got the support here around the 115 that we should hold. And second, the resistance that we should break to confirm that we're gonna have an avalanche of buyers. It is around those two levels. We got the 156. After we break it, we might have the 175 and the $2.11. So if we jump and we have a good earnings, we might jump at least 50%. The first level, 25%, and second is 50% for Beyond Meat. So now we have to hold the 115, guys. This is the most critical zone. So right now we didn't have a confirmation for a reversal until we break the 156. And this is might happen during the earnings after hours tomorrow, where we're gonna have a big buyers because now we might consolidate just below the resistance. Once we have a good earnings, the big buyer will come here and make us go nearly around the $3. But the plausible price for Beyond Meat during the earnings is 50% up if we have good squeeze for it. For now, if we have the other scenario pulling back down, I will watch for the 91 dip. This is the most important that might trigger the buyers for Beyond Meat one day from now. So let us go back and check the others. VIVK, not my cup of tea for now. BNAI, guys, is moving. We kind of have a breakout, but yeah, we didn't have a breakout yet. We have to break the 67, but it's getting near a breakout with GLTO. Both those stocks looking fantastic right now, guys. Watch out. We got the two action from two stocks right now. They might be good to watch. Let's go. GLTO looking fantastic. GLTO, I think, is halted up, guys. GLTO, I think, is halted up right now. We got GLTO and BNAI. Yeah, GLTO and BNAI. GLTO is halted, now is unhalted. GLTO, guys, is resumption right now. We got a major resistance around the 2645. Current support that we should hold, the first one that we should hold is over the 1930. And I think we halted again up. Let us check the haltation system. GLTO is halted, guys. Reason code is LUDP. We got the other one, BSIG. We got move is halted as well. GLTO is halted 2 times and move is halted 2 times. Okay, move is halted down, yes, and now is resumption. Let's see. PSIG. Let's check this one out. I think this one is dead, is halted down. So yeah, we got GLTO, guys, is halted up just below the resistance. Vero, let's see. No, Vero didn't break the 265, but I like what I'm seeing, brother. I'm like what I'm seeing with Vero because look, yeah, interesting for a breakout. IMTE, the same. It might be great to watch as well to go toward 147. Yeah, IMTE might be great for later. VIVK, not my cup of tea now. Anyway, so Vero looking great, guys. Move is halted down, so I'm gonna put Vero at the top. BNAI and GLTO are the one, but the BNAI just broke out, guys. I'm gonna lower the support now around 60 cents, and the current resistance that we might hit and then we pull back is around the 77. So 77, and then yeah, 77 should be the level that we should watch out for. Yeah, BNAI, guys, looking great with GLTO. GLTO 26 or the 2530 should be a resistance, so be careful. Resistance profit taking. And the Vero 2.65 should be the breakout. And if we broke, we might go toward the $3. Yes. And then the 360. Yeah, those two levels might be tested for Vero. BNAI pulling back a bit. GLTO is still halted. Let us check if we got another stock been halted. Um, COGT. Do we have COGT here? I think I took it from the list. Yeah, I don't like it. COGT, blah, blah, blah. Nope. So those the main stocks. Let us double check again the stock that been halted for today. You don't want to miss anything. Move GLTOB PSIG. No, that was the only stock that been halted for today. Main gainers for today. Let's see the top. Yeah, GLTO is the top gainer for today and halted twice. Move was halted twice down. GREE could be good if we broke the 220, but not now. Yeah, those the main events. Yeah, and Vero. The rest I don't like, so I'm gonna watch those lists. Yeah, those three are the top guys. Beyond Meat is moving 145. Open is moving as well toward the 750. It almost filled the gap here for today. It did really great reversal from the 669. Fantastic work for Open. Huge reversal, almost 50% now. Already checked open, Muhammad. Open, as we said, it is fantastic near the 750. Support 669. We got major news, key factors. We got announcement of layoff. A lot. AI news, related news, open Q3 deep dive. Yeah, we got a lot of AI news that support AI, even though we have bad earnings. So AI, if there's no AI, or open, if there's no AI news, it could have been game over for this stock because all the future revenue, this is what make open survive so far and have this major reversal. Yeah, this is not normal reversal, guys. It's 50%. It's not normal. It's we get back all what we lost in the beginning of November. So yeah, fantastic work. Beyond Meat might do the same because have earnings coming up. GLTO guys tested the 2530 and now it's halted down. GLTO guys, what a crazy stock. This one should be the craziest play for today. I believe should be really crazy. This one should be crazy work. But it's kind of overextended. If we don't break the 26, guys, it's me, we're gonna go down. Move levels from John. So, brother, this one have a support over the $10.30. Current resistant from what I see here, we got huge seller jazz around the 1570. If we don't break the 1570, it means we're gonna go down to test the support around the 860 and then the 5. But the 5 is too dangerous. Uh, the best scenario is holding over the 1030. Yes, this is the best scenario. We need to hold the 1030, break the 1570 to go toward the almost the 19 and then the 28. The 28, or to be safer, is the 25 then the 35. Yes, 25 then 35. The ultimate level should be the 35 if we broke this 1570. Vero is about to break the 260 and BNI reversing up. BNI guys looking fantastic here, so I'm gonna put it first. Okay, so technically we didn't break the resistance here around the 67. So technically we didn't break the 67, guys, for BNAI. 67 should be a major resistance now to break. Current support, and we'll go it around the 53. GLTO, hold it down. Vero didn't break the resistance yet. Beyond Mini to pulling back. Open is pulling back just below the 750. It's still trying, BNAI still trying to break this resistance, guys, over the 70. Double checking the stocks for today. Okay, recent stock split for November. We got IOTR, Ray, CJET, yes, have reverse split 1 to 100. ATTX 100 to 1 to 112. Big walk the same. GNPX, one of those stocks that we traded before, many stocks have reverse split, reverse, which is bad. Fourth split, we got usually a fourth split or split, those stocks doing okay. Like IBKR, Interactive Broker, have 4 to 1 this year. But the last one we have, I think we don't have, yeah, Fast, one of the top blue chip company that have split this year. What else we got for this year? We don't have a major stock have split this year or last year. No. Anyway, let's see the listed stock for 2024, 2024. Nope. Listed. I think acquisition splits. Yeah, split. Let's see the top gainers for today or top losers. Let's see top loser first. We got GORV and Zone. Let us see because I'm checking, guys, the stock that have top losers because we could scavenge or buy the dip for them if they look great. Sometimes we have good reversal like that happened to you open. But we have to be strategic here because stock go down for a reason. Some stock are dead and continue to go down. So never say stock go down 70% is good. BNAI, guys, broke out. BNAI, one a fantastic trade, this one. Yeah, BNAI looking fantastic here. I think we might have, yeah, we might have another jump for it up. Yeah, BNAI is getting near a major resistance here. So it's better, I think, to take profit before the 79. So because I expect a major seller to come around this level. BNAI, I expect a big seller come in at any second now. So it's better to take a little bit profit on it. Let's see if we're gonna go more up. 74, 79, it is the top level, yes. GLTO, on the other hand, didn't break the 25. Vero didn't break. Move, reverse, Beyond Meat, nope. Open is pulling back as we expected. Anyway, so let us check the top losers and see if we're gonna have an entry for them. First off, we got YDKG, dumped down 30%. This one, no, I think is bad below the 39. The next one we got Zone. Yeah, this one might be good if we broke the 59. I might keep it. Zone or Sound. Nope. Zone GORV. Nope. So I'm gonna keep Zone. I'm gonna put the chart later on our Discord. I'm gonna share the idea of the support and resistance. Anyway, Vero and GLTO, guys, might be great to watch now because they are unhalted and ready to go. especially for GLTO. Vero, the same, is about to break the 265, guys. This one testing the resistance currently while we speak. Let's see the stock that have earnings this week. We got today TSN pre-market, after hours, CRWV, ASTS. Rocket Lab reporting earnings today. I think this will be interesting. Sony tomorrow, pre-market. And yeah, there's no big stock that I know. Anyway, so this one trying, guys, to break here around the 270. Let's see if we gonna break the 270 at least. GLTO trying as well. Vero squeeze, not yet, man. Not yet. It need to break the 270. You see, that's why we pull back. If it squeeze, it should have gone up without pulling back. Emoji Trader, if you listen to me here, if you hear me, I'm gonna update those stocks later on that have earnings. I'm gonna do the short for the stock that have earnings later on the King Elite Swing Trade. Guys, if you have no access to this channel, it's mean you're not on the King or Elite member. You can upgrade your level to go and have access to this chart. Last time we did for open, it was really great because we reversed from this dip and we hit the profit taken around the 131. And for open, after the earnings, it was good to buy the dip around the 566 and 425. And now is around almost the $7 after the earnings dip. So yeah, I'm gonna do a major update later on for the stock that have earnings on Discord plus Patreon, not just Discord. Yeah, Vero now is initiating a squeeze, just testing. GLTO the same. I think GLTO is halted, guys. I don't know if it's halted or just weaker. GLTO, yes, it's halted, guys. The only stock is halted right now is GLTO. And three times, I think it's halted three times for today. Fantastic volatility. This time we have to break over the 26 to confirm that we have a big buyer. BNI, guys, currently holding. This is what I'd like to see, guys. After a breakout, no major pullback. It's getting near the 79. GLTO the same, no major pullback. Vero, a major pullback happened early in the pre-market, but have a stability right now. But it need to break the 270 to go higher. Move, on the other hand, is pulling back a lot. There is no reversal or holding up sideways. So it's more dangerous for move. High risk, high reward. Let me know, guys, if you can see my live streaming at the top quality, because I don't know, like from your side, guys. And before, I think there's no option for full HD, some of you said. So can some of you who watching check if you could have more options for the quality or not? Even though we don't care because we don't play we don't play games here. We don't need the high refresh rates and high resolution, but it's good to have high resolution in order to zoom in and zoom out to see the numbers if you like. So yeah, BNAI is number one for today. Vero didn't do anything yet, didn't break, man. Still trying to break. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a major update later on our Discord for a day trade stocks, where we're gonna update it here on the unicorn hunt, like what we did last week for BKAI and the other, and the swing trade like what we did last week with ABNB and Open once we have a huge dip for open. It was really great to buy the dip there. So we're gonna do major two updates, swing and day trade on Discord and Bitcoin. So stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna update later on YouTube the trade for Beyond Meat and Open. So until then, tomorrow, as usual, we're gonna go live 30 minutes before the market opens. So always put a notification and subscribe in order to be notified once we go live. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back tomorrow. Great hunt, everybody.